the manufacturing of components and molds for the robotics industry constitutes a core supporting sector within the field, characterized by exceptional precision, intelligence, and synergy. It serves as the critical link connecting the entire chain from R&D and component mass production to final robot assembly. This sector not only supplies the core functional components for complete robotic systems, but also guarantees part quality through high-precision molds and dies. It acts as the essential, often unsung enabler, the unsung hero, driving the advancement of the robotics industry and fostering the intelligent transformation of high-end manufacturing. Its influence is deeply interwoven with diverse fields, such as industrial production and intelligent services. These three elements, R&D, mold manufacturing, and component production, work in concert and are inseparable, with their core value focused on enabling precision and enabling efficient mass production. In the context of robotics manufacturing, components specifically refer to the core robotic parts and supporting actuators. This encompasses power transmission units like rotary actuators, as well as structural parts including robot joints, housings, gears, and sensor casings. Robotics mold and die manufacturing is the fundamental prerequisite for mass producing these components. Leveraging precision technologies such as robotic-assisted machining, die casting, and injection molding, it produces specialized molds and dies tailored for various robotic parts. These tools are designed for forming different categories, such as body housings and joint components, ensuring part accuracy and smooth surface finishes to meet the high-precision operational demands of robots.